Good morning. May I see your passport and your ticket, please?
Good morning. Yes, of course. Here are my passport and e-ticket. I'm flying to Tokyo today.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, I have one large suitcase that I want to check in. And I also have a backpack that I'll take as carry-on.
Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Sure, just a second. There you go.
Your bag weighs 18 kilograms. That is under the limit.
That's great to hear. I was a little worried it might be overweight.
Do you have any liquids, sharp items, or batteries in your checked bag?
No, I made sure to pack only clothes, shoes, and some books.
Perfect. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I'd prefer a window seat if it's still available. I like to look outside during the flight.
I have a window seat for you in row 12, seat A.
That sounds perfect. Thank you so much.
Boarding will begin at 10:30 at gate 7.
Great. I'll make sure to be at the gate on time. This is my first time flying alone.
Here is your boarding pass and baggage tag. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help. See you in the next video.